we're going to do a couple of examples where we use negative exponents along with the other exponent laws that we've learned so far. So our question here says, simplify using exponent laws. Write your final answer using positive exponents. So we have the question 9 to the power of 20 divided by 9 to the power of 25. So this is addition, which means we can subtract the exponents. So when you have the same base and you're dividing, you leave the base the same and subtract your exponents. So I'm going to click in that first square. I'm going to type equals to start. The base is still going to be a 9, and then I want to do the exponents being subtracted. So 20, take away 25. If you need to use a calculator, there is a calculator tool up here. You can do 20, take away 25, or you can type the numbers, and I get an answer of -5. So I want to do 9 to the power of -5. Now to do an exponent, you need to use what we call the caret. It looks like a circumflex in French, and it's usually found above your 6 key on your keyboard. So if you press Shift and 6, that should make an exponent. And then I want to do -5. So I'm just going to type -5. So I have 9 to the power of -5. Now the question specifically asks me to write my answer using positive exponents. So a negative exponent makes a fraction. So it's going to take 9 to the power of -5, and it's going to flip it over and turn it into 1 over 9 to the power of 5. So I'm going to hit enter to move down to the next line. I'm going to type equals to get started, and then I need a fraction. So to get a fraction, we're going to use the slash, which also works for division. It's usually located next to the shift key on your keyboard. So if I hit that slash button, it makes me a fraction. We're going to put 1 on the top. We're going to put 9 on the bottom, and then I need to do to the power of 5. So I'm going to do that shift 6 again to get that caret symbol, and then I'm going to type in 5. So 9 to the 20 divided by 9 to the 25 is 1 over 9 to the power of 5. Now, the question does not ask me to evaluate, so I do not need to work out what 9 to the power of 5 is. I can just leave it like that with a positive exponent.